Presidents serve as the highest point of leadership, the one who leads the millions in providing a better living condition. Sadly, I have not seen that all in this current administration. And somehow, looking into these mayors, maybe somehow they would be a better leader these presidents could ever dream of. Good day, listeners. Welcome to another episode of Unfiltered, your source of stories and issues, no holds barred. I know presidents handle a much higher stake with all of those national sectors they have managed, but for me, what matters in the end is the approach to a problem. For example, Mayor Ronnie Lagnada of Butuan City thought of a city land plan where he will divide the city into quadrants. Do you know what this will solve? Traffic. That is something that the Philippines has always been fighting against, and now we have a mayor who actually thought of something that made sense. Another example, we would have the AgriBoost, having the same purpose as Kadiwa centers of the national level in which they will buy the produce of farmers that both have the goal to decrease the prices. But which do you think successfully lowered the prices? It was Butuan, of course. And now, inflation in the Philippines still continue. So you can see the vast difference on what they are actually doing to the community. In the end, I want everyone to be aware of these mayors who does an astounding job in thinking plans. They may never be perfect, but at least in their term, they actually did something impactful, marking their name and history in a positive way. This has been Unfiltered. Thank you for listening and catch you next time.